Welcome to our English podcast. Let's learn and have some fun today. Let's get started on this adventure.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Academy podcast, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Amma.
Hello, Amma. Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan. How are you today, Amma?
I am great today, thank you. I woke up early, I had a slow, quiet morning. It was nice. And you, Ryan?
I am good, but tired. I woke up late, I ran out of the house, no breakfast, no coffee, just run.
Oh no, a very busy morning.
A very busy morning. I did not even think in English today. My brain was just, where are my keys? Where is my bag?
That is very common. Many people have busy mornings. But here's the thing, Ryan. The morning is actually the best time to practice English.
The morning? But I have no time in the morning.
You do not need a lot of time, just a few minutes, and today I will show you how, really, English practice in the morning. Yes, today we are talking about your morning routine and how to use it to improve your English every single day.
Okay, I'm listening. Teach me, Amma.
But first, we have a small request. Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button. Please subscribe to Enjoy English Academy podcast and share this episode with your friends and family. Thank you. It helps us so much. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start.
First, let me tell you the problem, the enemy.
The enemy? What is the enemy?
The enemy is this idea, I will study English later. People say, I will practice tonight, or I will study on the weekend. But then they are tired at night. The weekend is busy, and they never practice.
That is me. I always say later, and later never comes.
Exactly. Later never comes. But the morning always comes. Every single day you wake up. That's your chance.
My chance every morning.
Yes, and the secret is you do not need extra time. You just add English to things you already do. Brush your teeth, add English. Eat breakfast, add English. Get dressed, add English.
Add English to my routine, not add more time. I like that.
Good. I have 5 tips for you today. 5 small habits. Each one takes less than 5 minutes, and you can start tomorrow morning.
5 habits? Let's hear them.
Okay. Tip number 1. I call it name it.
Name it. What do I name?
Everything around you. When you wake up, open your eyes. Look around your room and start naming things in English. Just point and say the word.
Point and say.
Yes. Look at your bed. Say bed. Look at the window. Say window. Look at your phone. Say phone. Very simple.
That is very simple. Let me try. Pillow, blanket, lamp, wall, door.
Perfect. You see? 5 seconds, 5 words, and your brain is now in English mode.
English mode. I turned on English mode.
Exactly. And you can go further. Not just the word. Say a short sentence. This is my pillow. The blanket is warm. The window is on.
Let me try. This is my pillow. The blanket is soft. The window is open. I feel sleepy.
You feel sleepy, but your English is awake.
My English is awake, even if I am not.
Every day, try to add 1 or 2 new words. Monday, you say pillow. Tuesday, you learn curtain. Wednesday, alarm clock. Small words, but they add up. 1 new word every morning. In 1 month, 30 new words.
Exactly. Without studying, without a textbook, just by opening your eyes.
Good. Tip number 2. I call this one mirror talk.
Mirror talk. I talk to a mirror?
Yes. You go to the bathroom, you brush your teeth, you wash your face. While you do that, look in the mirror and talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself. What do I say?
Say what you will do today, your plans. Very simple sentences. Today, I will go to work. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I will eat lunch with my friend.
Let me try. Today I will go to work. I will study English. I will call my mom.
Perfect. You see? 3 sentences, 10 seconds, and you just practiced the future tense.
I practiced grammar without even knowing it.
Yes, that is the magic. You are not studying grammar. You are just talking about your day, but your brain is learning the pattern. I will, I will, I will. I will go, I will eat, I will try.
It feels natural.
And you can also say how you feel. I feel good today. I am a little tired. I am happy.
I feel good today. I am ready. I will do my best.
That is beautiful. And no one is listening. No one is judging. Just you and the mirror.
Just me in the mirror. No pressure. I like that.
And here's something important. When you talk to yourself, you become more comfortable with your own voice in English. Many people are afraid to speak, but if you practice alone first, speaking to others becomes easier.
Practice alone, then speak to others. Step by step.
Exactly. The mirror is your first conversation partner.
Okay.
Tip number 3, breakfast English.
Breakfast English. I love breakfast and I love English. Put them together.
Exactly. When you eat breakfast, describe what you see, what you eat, what you feel.
Describe my food.
Yes, look at your breakfast and say sentences about it. This coffee is hot. The bread is fresh. I am hungry. Very easy words, very useful words.
Let me try. This coffee is strong. The eggs are good. I need more sugar.
Perfect. And you just used 3 useful words: strong, good, more. Words you will use every day. What about new words? Can I learn new words at breakfast?
Of course. Each week, try a few food words. This week, crispy, creamy, bitter, sweet. Use them at breakfast.
The toast is crispy. The yogurt is creamy. The coffee is bitter.
I love it. You are a natural.
And the best part, you will remember these words because you used them while eating. Your brain connects the word to the taste, to the smell, to the moment.
So my brain remembers better because I am eating at the same time.
Yes, we remember things better when we connect them to real life. A word in a textbook, you forget it. A word you say while drinking hot coffee, you remember it.
That makes sense. Breakfast English, my new favorite class.
Good. Tip number 4, 5-minute listen.
5 minutes. That's all?
That is all. Before you leave the house, listen to something in English. Just 5 minutes. A podcast, a short video, even a song. Just 5 minutes.
Just 5. But here is the rule. Do not just listen. Repeat. When you hear a sentence you like, pause and say it again. Copy the sound.
Ah, like shadowing.
Yes, shadowing. You hear, "How are you doing today?" And you repeat, "How are you doing today?" Copy the voice. Copy the speed. Copy the feeling.
How are you doing today? How are you doing today? See, your pronunciation is getting better already.
But what if I don't understand everything?
That's okay. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen for words you know and repeat the sentences that sound good to you. Even one sentence is enough. One sentence every morning. In 1 week, 7 sentences. In 1 month, 30 sentences. And those sentences become part of you. You hear them in your head. You start using them without thinking.
That's fluency.
That's fluency. Not knowing everything, just using what you know. Exactly. You can listen to this podcast or any English podcast, whatever you enjoy. The key is 5 minutes every morning. No excuses.
No excuses. 5 minutes. Even I can do that, even on a Monday morning.
Especially on a Monday morning. That's when you need it most. And finally, tip number 5. I call this one sentence out the door.
1 sentence out the door. What does that mean?
Before you leave your house, before you step outside, say 1 sentence, 1 goal for the day in English.
1 goal. Like what?
Like, today I will try my best. Or, today I will speak English at work. Or, today I will be brave. 1 sentence, my goal for the day. That's all.
That is all. It is like a promise to yourself in English. Say it, believe it, and then walk out the door.
Let me try. Today I will learn something new.
Beautiful. And tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will be kind to everyone.
And the next day?
I will not be afraid to make mistakes.
I love that one because I make a lot of mistakes.
And that is how you learn. You see, every morning you give yourself 1 sentence, 1 direction, and your brain carries it all day.
My brain carries it all day, like a small engine pushing me forward.
Yes, and at the end of the day, you can check. Did I do it? Did I follow my sentence? And if I did, I feel good. And if I did not, I try again tomorrow.
Exactly. No pressure, no judgment. Just 1 sentence every morning.
So let me put all 5 tips together. Ryan, imagine it is tomorrow morning. You wake up. Show me your new English morning routine.
Okay. I open my eyes, I look around, pillow, blanket, lamp, window. The morning is quiet.
I feel sleepy, but okay.
Good. Tip 1, name it. Done. Next.
I go to the bathroom. I look in the mirror. Good morning, Ryan. Today you will go to work. You will study English. You will eat something delicious.
Tip 2, mirror talk. Done.
Then I make breakfast, coffee and toast. This coffee is hot, very strong. The toast is crispy. I feel awake now.
Tip 3, breakfast English. Done.
I put on my headphones. I listen to Enjoy English Academy podcast for 5 minutes. I hear Amma say, every day a little better. I repeat, every day a little better.
Tip 4, 5-minute listen. You chose our podcast.
Of course, it is the best podcast.
Thank you, Ryan. And tip 5?
I stand at my door, I take a breath, and I say, today I will speak English with confidence. Confidence, no fear. And then I open the door and I go.
That was perfect. 5 tips, less than 15 minutes total, and your brain is ready for English all day.
I feel more confident already.
And you should. Every morning you practice, even a little, you are growing. Growing slowly, quietly, but growing.
Yes, and that is the beauty of a routine. You do not need motivation every day. You just need the habit. The habit does the work for you.
The habit does the work, even when I am tired.
Even when you are tired. And one day you will not need to think about it. English will just be part of your morning.
Like coffee, like brushing your teeth. English is natural as coffee.
That's the dream.
It is not a dream. It's just a routine. A small, beautiful routine. And you can start tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning I will start. I promise.
I believe you. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we learned 5 morning habits to improve your English. Yes. Tip 1, name it. Open your eyes and name things around you.
Good.
Tip 2, mirror talk. Talk to yourself about your plans for the day. Tip 3, breakfast English. Describe your food and feelings while you eat. Tip 4, 5-minute listen. Listen and repeat 1 sentence from a podcast or video. And tip 5, 1 sentence out the door. Say 1 goal before you leave. 5 tips, less than 15 minutes total, and your English grows every day.
Every single morning. Perfect. You remembered everything. I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Academy podcast.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun. Please subscribe to Enjoy English Academy podcast, give this episode a like, and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us which tip will you try first tomorrow morning. Tip 1, name it. Tip 2, mirror talk. Tip 3, breakfast English. Tip 4, 5-minute listen. Or tip 5, 1 sentence out the door.
We would love to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing your English.